This tutorial is about managing keywords for your WordPress blog with a spreadsheet using Excel. And to do this, we're going to go into Google. We're going to type into the search box Google Keyword Tool. And we're going to click on the first one. It'll come up in blue. And we're being taken into the Google AdWords directory. It's going to ask you to type in the CAPTCHA, so go ahead and do that. And submit it. And what we're going to do is type in a word that has to do with your website. And we're going to click on search. And now we can see how often other sites use these different phrases that could really work out well for our own websites. These are the phrases that people look up most of the time when they're looking up, say, marketing. This shows our competition that we can check on. You can also group it by local search trends, monthly searches, or global monthly searches. And I'm going to go ahead and sign in. It's going to ask for my screen name and password. You may have to go in and set your time zone, and then it will go in and create your first ad campaign. So I'm going to sign into my AdWords account. And I'm going to type in marketing. I'm also going to type in advertising. And I'm going to go ahead and tell it to search. Now it gives me the same information as before, but now it's actually giving me a bit more information. And let's say that I want to go ahead and search the trends in Google Insights for my first word, which was marketing. And it's going to let me filter that down to web searches. Plus, it's going to give me a graph showing me at what times of the year people were looking for this particular word. It's also going to show me regional interest, where I can click on any area in the world, and it's going to give me the volume index. It's going to give me search items, and it's going to give me rising searches, so people are starting to use these terms a lot more often. And that's a great thing to know for your own site, because then you're going to be able to use those in your own keywords to get more hits. So right now I'm going to go ahead and download this as a CSV file, which is a Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to save it, and I'm just going to put in July report and click save. Now when I go into my Excel program, I'm going to be able to go into that document. I'm going to be able to go onto my hard drive. I'm going to need to change my file type to all files, and I'm going to go ahead and look up that July report. I'm going to tell it that I wanted to insert it, and it's going to give me all of that information in my Excel page. And as you go down through the information, you'll also see the top searches for marketing have been under these phrases. So you'll be able to take those phrases into your keywords of your website or blog, and you'll be able to put those in, and it'll bring in a lot more people when they do a web search for those terms. So that's how we load a keyword search into our Excel spreadsheet. Hope this helped you out. Thanks for listening.